want to share with you some ideas for your hair tutorial, hair something for this summer, because I don't like to do some hard hair tutorial. I'm lazy. I find some new thing which I can use for changing my old hair tutorial in the new one, which will look fresher and it will be really fashionable, because you just need a piece of cloth and like this. That's 50 centimeters on 50 centimeters, and I asked my mom and she did me this head scarf, because I'm trying to find it on internet, but that was so expensive, and I'm like, why it's so expensive? And my mom have some material, some clothes material, so I just asked her, could she do me just a piece of cloth, and I show her pictures on internet, and she's like, yeah, of course I can do that, and now I have it. And it's really trendy right now to use it on your hair. So yeah, that's what I got for you. Are you ready to see and watch it?
I know that I would go on the phone, I never leave well enough alone. Trouble's gonna follow where I go. There's a lot of cool chicks out there, but one of these things is not like the others, like a rainbow with all of the colors. Baby doll, when it comes to a lover, I promise that you'll never find another like me. I'm the only one of me, baby, that's the fun of me.
For these hairstyles, you need to twist the head scarf, or how this thing called, I don't know. Now you can see what I'm doing. I don't know how to explain this. You just brush your hair and then do like this, and then you have a beautiful hairstyle number one.
I'm a sucker for you.
Now I think I will explain like every hairstyles which I will show you like this. Just look what I'm doing and do the same thing. You know, I'm doing that for the first time, and yes, I'm recording where I get just because I can, you know, and if I can, why not to do this? And you can see what I'm doing and how it looks with the first time trying this.
Cause I know you and you know everything about me. I can't remember all of the nights I don't remember when you're around me. I've been dancing on top of cars and stumbling out of bars. I follow you through the dark.
Make a ponytail and wrap the tail with a head scarf.
I'm a sucker for you. Say the word and I'll go anywhere blindly. I'm a sucker for you, yeah. And you want to take, you know that you'll find me. I'm a sucker for all the subliminal things no one knows about you, about you. And you're making that typical me break my typical rules. It's true, I'm a sucker for you. And stumbling out of bars, I follow you through the dark, can't get enough. You're the medicine and the pain, the tattoo inside my brain, and baby, I know it's obvious. I'm a sucker for you. Say the word and I'll go anywhere blindly. I'm a sucker for you, yeah. And you want to take, you know that you'll find me. I'm a sucker for all the subliminal things no one knows about you, about you. And you're making that typical me break my typical sucker for you. I'm a sucker for